Thinking of applying to a postgraduate course? This step-by-step guide will help you to apply to Edge Hill University. Whichever program you are applying to, start by checking the entry requirements on our website. Each program has its own specific entry requirements, which might include academic qualifications or work experience in a particular area. You can apply directly for most postgraduate taught and postgraduate research degrees. There are some exceptions, so check the Apply tab on the course page. There is no fee for applying. Click the Apply tab. In most cases, you will be able to choose full-time or part-time. Click the relevant link for you. Current Edge Hill students can log into the application portal using their Edge Hill username and password. If you are not currently an Edge Hill student, click to create a new account. Once you have set up an account, you will be able to start the application. In the form, you will be asked to complete a number of sections, including your personal details, details of your qualifications, details of employment history, including any relevant paid or voluntary work experience, and your personal statement. Check the application form for the specific details of what to include in your personal statement. This is the most important part of the application form and is your chance to show the admissions tutor why you are the ideal candidate for this course. For most courses, you will have approximately 500 words and should address your reasons for choosing the course, what interests you about your chosen subject, any work experience, placement or voluntary work you have done, and how your program choice fits with your future career plans. Make sure to apply early, as courses will close before the deadline when they are full. Your account will be active for 90 days, so you do not need to complete your application form in one go. You can save your progress in the portal and come back to complete it later. Finally, if you have any questions or require any support with your application, please contact us. Good luck, and we hope to see you on campus soon.